Many of us know the feeling. You open your bathroom cabinet. Suddenly, a cascade of bottles, tubs, and tubes tumbles out. Serums you bought with high hopes. Moisturizers half used. Cleansers that promised miracles. It is a common sight in many bathrooms today. This collection of products can feel overwhelming. It is hard to know where to start. It is even harder to know what actually works for your skin. This clutter often represents confusion, not care. The allure of new skincare products is strong. Bright packaging and exciting claims catch our eye. The good news is that there is a simpler path. Minimalist skincare is a refreshing approach. It means simplifying your skincare routine. You focus only on the essential products your skin needs to be healthy. Think of it as decluttering your skincare, just like you might declutter your home. The main idea is less is more. It is about using fewer products. But these products are chosen carefully. They are effective and suitable for your skin type. This method moves away from complicated multi-step routines. The benefits of adopting a minimalist skincare routine are numerous. Firstly, it can save you a significant amount of time. The cornerstone of any effective minimalist skincare routine is the cleanser. A good cleanser is vital. It removes dirt, excess oil, makeup, and pollutants from your skin's surface. This buildup can clog pores and lead to breakouts if not removed. Cleansing also prepares your skin for the next steps in your routine. It allows other products like moisturizers to be absorbed more effectively. Choosing a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type is key. It should clean without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Next in the essential trio is the moisturizer. Hydration is absolutely fundamental for healthy skin. A moisturizer helps to replenish and retain moisture in your skin. This keeps it soft, supple, and comfortable. More importantly, moisturizers support your skin's barrier function. A strong barrier protects against irritants and prevents water loss. Even if you have oily skin, a moisturizer is necessary. If you have sensitive skin, a minimalist approach can be particularly beneficial. The key is to choose products that are extremely gentle. Look for fragrance-free and hypoallergenic labels. Fewer ingredients often mean less risk of irritation. Always patch test any new product before applying it to your entire face. Apply a small amount to an inconspicuous area, like behind your ear. Wait 24 to 48 hours to see if any reaction occurs. Simplicity helps to keep sensitive skin calm and comfortable. For those with oily skin, minimalism still works wonders. You will want a lightweight foaming or gel cleanser. This can help to manage excess sebum without over-drying your skin. Your moisturizer should be oil-free and non-comedogenic. This means it will not clog your pores. Gel-based moisturizers are often a good choice. Some individuals with oily skin might benefit from an ingredient like salicylic acid. This can be in their cleanser or a very light targeted serum to help with breakouts. Dry skin requires a minimalist routine that prioritizes hydration and nourishment. Opt for a creamy, hydrating cleanser that will not strip your skin. Your moisturizer should be richer. Look for ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin. Section 5. Unmasking the Myths. Truths about minimalist skincare. A common myth is that minimalist skincare means not doing enough for your skin. Some people worry that a simple routine cannot be effective. This is not true. The effectiveness of your skincare does not depend on the number of products you use. It depends on the quality of the ingredients and their suitability for your skin. A few well-chosen products with proven ingredients can achieve far more than a dozen mismatched ones. Simplicity often leads to better consistency, which is key for results. Another frequent misconception is that a minimalist routine cannot address specific skin concerns. People believe they need many different products to tackle issues like acne, pigmentation, or fine lines. While complex issues might need targeted treatments, minimalism can still be the base. Your core cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen can be selected to support your concern. For example, an acne-prone individual can use a cleanser with salicylic acid. If needed, one carefully selected serum with active ingredients can be added. This is still a minimal, focused approach. Some individuals feel that a minimalist skincare routine might be boring. They enjoy the ritual of using many products. They like trying new things. While the experimental aspect might be reduced, minimalist skincare is far from dull. There is a deep satisfaction in understanding your skin. The first step towards a minimalist skincare routine is to declutter your current collection. Take everything out of your bathroom cabinet and drawers. Check the expiry dates on all your products. Discard anything that is past its prime. Be honest with yourself about products you bought but rarely use. If something did not work for you or caused irritation, it is time to let it go. This initial clear-out can feel very liberating. It creates space for a more intentional approach. Next, identify your core products. You need a gentle cleanser, a suitable moisturizer, and a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30. These are your non-negotiables. If you already have products in these categories that you like and that work well for your skin, keep them. If not, this is the time to research and find ones that suit your skin type and concerns. Start with just these 3 for a few weeks. This allows your skin to adjust. I remember a patient, let's call her Sarah. Sarah came to my clinic with persistent acne. Her bathroom cabinet was overflowing with numerous anti-acne products. She was using harsh cleansers, multiple spot treatments, and heavy creams all at once. Her skin was red, irritated, and still breaking out. We stripped her routine back to a gentle cleanser, a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer, and sunscreen. We added 1 targeted prescription treatment. Within a few months, her skin was significantly calmer, and her acne had greatly improved. The simplicity reduced irritation, allowing her skin to heal. Even in my own skincare journey, I have experienced the benefits of minimalism. Early in my career, I was tempted to try every new product and ingredient. My skin, however, was not always happy with this constant experimentation. It would sometimes become sensitized or reactive. Over time, I have streamlined my own routine considerably. I now focus on a few core, evidence-based products that I know work for my skin. My skin is consistently healthier, more resilient, and less prone to issues than it was in my more is more phase. These stories are not unique. Many people discover the profound benefits of simplifying their skincare. To recap, achieving radiant and healthy skin is often a case of less is more. A minimalist skincare routine focuses on the essential needs of your skin. It prioritizes skin health over the pursuit of endless products. By choosing a few effective items, a good cleanser, a suitable moisturizer, and daily sunscreen, you provide your skin with what it truly requires to thrive. This targeted approach can lead to visible improvements. You will notice calmer, clearer, and more balanced skin over time. The benefits of minimalist skincare extend far beyond just the immediate appearance of your skin. Adopting a simpler routine is more sustainable in the long run. You are likely to stick with a routine that is quick and easy to follow. This consistency is vital for achieving and maintaining good results. Furthermore, buying fewer products means less packaging waste. This makes minimalist skincare a more environmentally conscious choice. It is a small but meaningful way to reduce your impact. One of the most significant advantages is increased skin confidence. When you simplify your routine, you begin to understand your skin on a deeper level. Now it is your opportunity to explore the benefits of a simpler skincare approach. If you feel overwhelmed by your current routine, consider paring it back. Start by identifying your essential cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Observe how your skin responds to this focused care. You might be surprised by the positive changes you see and feel. Remember, the goal is healthier skin, not a shelf full of products. Give simplicity a chance to work its magic for you. I encourage you to share your experiences with minimalist skincare. What does your simplified routine look like? Which products have become your trusted essentials? Perhaps you faced some challenges when transitioning. What were they? And how did you overcome them? Your journey and insights can be incredibly helpful to others who are considering this path. Learning from each other is a powerful way to build confidence and discover new tips for success. Please feel free to ask any questions you may have. Whether you are unsure about choosing products for your skin type or need advice on a specific concern, this is a space for discussion. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals can provide support and motivation. We can all learn together as we navigate the world of skincare. No question is too small when it comes to understanding and caring for your skin effectively. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural and homemade beauty tips.